What's going on, y'all, man? It's LA Rich, and we back with another vid, man. And look, we got a video that y'all had liked a lot, man. So I wanted to bring this back, and y'all commented for me to react to this one. So we have the best of WRC Rally 2023 crashes, action, and raw sound. Now look, that video I had watched, man, of the last one, I don't know what it was titled. Y'all make sure to go check it out, though, man. I dropped it not too long ago, so just scroll down or type it in the YouTube search bar and y'all find it. But hey, it was crazy, bro. Real talk, man. I did not know rallying got this crazy. You know, I used to watch it as a kid and everything, some clips, but I don't remember it being this damn crazy, but real talk. But I'm excited to get into this video, man. And before I do, what I want to say is thank y'all so much for all the love and support I've been receiving. We have officially hit 9.1 thousand. We're on to 9.2 now. I thank y'all so much for all the love and support y'all show me on a day-to-day basis. It truly means the most to me. Nonetheless, we're going to get into this video. Y'all make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know some videos to react to, man. Whether it's rally videos or anything else out there, and I got y'all with it. But hey, enough of the talking. Let's do it. Damn, they be flying. Damn, bro, like some of these crashes really make you think, bro, what did they build the car with for so many of them to survive, man? Real talk. I mean, it got to be built with some stuff that's hidden from the let's say Toyota and that. They need to start building regular cars with this, bro, because I promise you a lot of people would survive in these car crashes, man, if they was built with this. He come up. They be in such beautiful areas, though. I ain't gonna lie. When they racing, I like the scenery and everything. Now, look at that scenery. Oh, he almost took that outside. Oh shit. Damn. Crazy. Oh shit. Nah, that one almost got real bad, bro. That was almost probably 50 injuries, if not deaths, right there. Look at this. All these people, hey, if nobody was hit here, I would be surprised, man. Real talk. Damn. He's flying, bro. I get back on track. Hey, at least that was a soft one. Hey, y'all let me know in the comments, is it a best company, a best car company, best car brand, whatever you want to call it, that usually wins a lot, or is it just it's random every time, man? Y'all let me know in the comments, bro.
Come on. Sur ma droite, trop plus équerre, craché. Sur ma droite, trop plus équerre, craché. Pour 100 mètres 40, craché. Pour 70.
Wow, look at this, man. These cars got so much damn control. Like at some okay, I didn't know they had somebody riding with them. I did see it in the other clip, but I'm seeing it a lot more that they usually have somebody in the passenger seat. But not really thinking about it, bro. This is a small car. You feel me? The window small, the front windshield small. Is a you clamped in, bro. So I feel some they gotta have some balls, man. Real talk, bro. Cause I get claustrophobic in there and all. You feel me? If I was to crash or something, and then you can't even really see what the hell you would. That shit's scary. You ain't gotta climb through the window too, bro. Look at this shit. Bro, the whole damn electric pole is down through the car at that. That's wild, man. Real talk, man. Hey, I can't believe. I would think they wouldn't even. They would have a barrier between it or something, bro. God damn.
Press.
In the snow.
Sur gauche.
Yeah, he hit that corner a little too hard. Hey, good catch though. I really want to wear this again. Y'all let me know in the comments where they usually do this at. What country or whatever. Or state. You got lucky on that one.
La voiture.
Hey, I say one thing, bro. It is nice when these cars be hitting these drifts, though. When they hit these drifts, man, you know, and be holding it for a long time too. That is nice to see. Wow, that was hard right there. Damn. Get back on track. Got a Ford. Okay, bro, I feel like this too dangerous right here. Look at this. Like, I could just see somebody maybe, you know, losing control a little bit, then flying straight into the attic of this house right here, man. Or on the roof at that. This is a narrow ass road, man. Ooh, that was nice. Oh shit. How the hell did he manage to stay on track?
Sur 88.
Hey, that's no save. Damn. Do they make sure that it ain't no animals out there, bro? You feel me? Do they pick places that they for sure no animals gonna come? Cause has it been a time where an animal has just ran out and literally got probably smacked all the way up to space coming on these damn roads when they was driving? Oh, they got the helicopter too. No, at night it look hard, bro. I ain't gonna lie. It look nice. They. Is there a prize that the winner wins? Y'all let me know that in the comments too. Oh my goodness. Hey, God was most definitely in his hands right here, bro. Look at this. First off, when I first seen this, I thought at first glimpse, I thought this was just straight water that he was gonna jump into. But you get a little closer, he was going straight off that cliff. But hey, God was most definitely in his hands right here, man. Real talk. Damn. See, that I knew that shit was gonna happen. I feel like it's too dangerous to be doing this around houses, bro. Or whatever these is, shacks or something like that. But it's a house for sure right here. Like, damn, bro. I feel like that shit happen a lot. Ooh, in a tunnel? Ooh. Whoa, whoa, what's going on? Oh yeah, he cutting up. Oh my goodness. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. That gotta be probably my number one feel when I be driving, man. A big ass boulder or something just coming and cracking straight through your windshield, bro. Like, and this rock was huge, man. God damn. When I tell you, man, it's good that these cars built how they is, bro, because the ones we have on the streets, probably that windshield, probably the whole car would have probably been totaled with the damn boulder coming through it like that, bro. Maria talking, man, because these cars can't withstand shit no more. They need to start making them like this, man, because a rock this big ain't even, yeah, it cracked the windshield, but it ain't even bust through it. Man, that's some good quality windshield right there.
Johnny Haltonen and Kalle Robbenberg.
Oh, he won. Okay, I'll give my round of applause for that too.
They find that plus short.
I think they won. Hyundai, okay. Hey, round of applause, man. Real talk, bro. Hey, thank y'all so much for coming to the video, man. I like these videos a lot, bro. Real talk. When it come to cars and shit, something about cars and then them driving like this, it just bring you back a childhood memory for me in specific. You know, seeing these cars driving like this, the crazy crashes and all that, it just put that warm feeling in your heart, bro. I used to watch these as a kid, not some videos dedicated to him, but more so clips and everything. And I don't remember it being this bad, but seeing it again, it definitely give me a good feeling, bro. And I like watching them a whole bunch. So y'all, please let me know some more videos like this y'all want me to react to when I got y'all with it, or just videos in general. It don't matter what it is. And once again, thank y'all for helping me hit 9.1 thousand road to 9.2 now. I thank y'all so much for all the love and support y'all show me on a day-to-day basis. It truly means the most to me. Nonetheless, that's when I close out the vid. Y'all make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And it's LA Rich, and I'm getting up out of here. Alright, y'all.
I just got the race, I boosted up, but I'm not real son. Shooter ready, go there, ready, blaze, they hit up everyone. Every time I didn't give a shit, I still ain't number one. In my pockets filled with money, bitch, like fucking.